Monument Grill sent me another grill to review. This right here is the Monument Grill's Mesa 400MF. So I'm going to review it, but I'm also going to cook on it. I got a pork loin. Let's see how well it cooks that pork loin. Let's take a look at the exterior first. It's a 4-burner gas grill. Comes with 2 side shelves. One side shelf right there. One on that side. Now it does have 2 on each side shelf to hang your spatulas or any other accessory that you need whenever you're going to be grilling. It has here at the bottom of it, it doesn't have closing, it doesn't have any doors, but there is an opening there and there is space for you to place any supplies that you need right there. And it has right up there in front Monument Grill's logo. Now you have the plastic wheels. And on this side, no wheels. It's a 2-wheel grill. The way you move it is you lift up on this side of the shelf and you're able to move it. Now that's the reason why that this shelf does not come down. It stays in place, unlike this shelf, or this shelf right here can be moved. Just like that. So if you have a little tight squeeze and you need to place it in your wherever you're holding it at, you could always put that side shelf down. And it has bottle opener. You always got to have that, right? So this is going to be where your propane sits at. And then right here is going to be for all your grease trappings right here. All the grease is going to fall down to here. I've already placed aluminum foil over the tray. And then for the pan itself, I've also done the same just to make for easy cleaning. Yeah, you see me. All right. Now, just like the other models, it has a HD panel. You see right through that glass. That's perfect, right? See what you're cooking. Don't have to keep opening up your lid to see what your meat's at. And then temperature gauge goes all the way up to 800. And then here's your handle right here. Now, as you can tell, it's stainless steel. Now let's look inside. Right off the bat, when you open it, you're going to see another Monument Grill's logo. The warming rack comes out. So if you need to remove it. Also, Enamel Cast Iron Grates. Perfect right here. And then flame tamers. Remember, you got 4 burners. So overall, this is what you get. This is a gas grill that if you don't want to spend too much on a quality grill, this would be perfect. It has what you need in order to cook. It has 2 side shelves. It's still sturdy. You have your 2 wheels, easy to move around. 4 burners. You want to load it up, any food, or if you want to use 1 or 2 burners, your warming rack. that window, that glass window, see right through what you're cooking. Temperature gauge, it comes with everything that you need. But the real question is, how well does it cook? Let's find out. All right, let's turn it on. All right, I'm gonna go, and then so I'm gonna go with this burner on and that burner on, so the two ends, and then I'm gonna place the pork loin right there in the middle. I don't want to do it too hot, so that's why I'm just gonna go with two burners. I'm gonna let it sit right there, let it warm up for a bit. So I'm gonna close it, and then we'll get the temp up, and then I'll probably shut them down even more. But yeah, let's get it warmed up. All right, I got it a little over, well, between 250 and 300, so I'm good with that. If I feel I need to jump up the temp, I'll adjust both ends of the burners to get a little hotter, but I'm good with that. I got me a pork loin right here, so I'm gonna set it about right there in the middle. Remember, burner on, burner off, these two are off. I'm gonna get this to the side right here. So I'm gonna monitor the temp inside, as I do not want to go over 140. I'm gonna take it off 140 and then let it rest. It'll go up temp. But yeah, let's get to cooking. I'm excited. I see you. Look at that pork loin. Oh man, this is awesome. We're gonna keep it in between 250 and 300. I got that burner on, the end burner, and also the other end burner on, and then two off. So we're gonna cook it indirect like that. But yeah, that's awesome. It's hitting at 102 internal temp. Oh, this pork loin. Look at that. You know, I don't even have to open the lid to see what my meat looks like. Look at that. See the flame on that side. You see me, check me out. Yeah. But looking good. So like I said, when it hits 140, I'm gonna take it off. All right, 113, above 400. So I've been just fooling with the knobs and just letting it see how well it gets up to temp, goes down, just fooling with it. But I want some sausage, so I'm gonna put some sausage on right there. Oh, right there. So I'm gonna let it cook, and then once it hits 140 on the pork loin, we'll start eating. There it is, 140. Another view from outside. Beautiful. Look at that. It's been awesome. But I'm gonna take it off. It's gonna rest, and then I'll slice into it. Yeah. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh, I hear a sizzle. Look at that. I know you don't want that sizzle. Did awesome, did awesome. All right, I'm gonna turn them off. And then let's close the propane tank. Oh yeah. Well, that was a fun cook. It really was a fun cook, and I have to say that reviewing this grill right here, it impressed me. You know, and it doesn't have all the bells and whistles of the other Monument grills, but it does the job. It does what you need it to do. And I just indirectly cooked this pork loin. Perfect. Oh yeah. That's the bomb right there. Yeah. So, if you're looking for a grill that's going to be in your budget, that all you want is just to cook, hook up propane tank, turn on your burners, and get to cooking, this is the grill for you right here. Not only can you indirectly cook your food, but obviously grill on it. But I'm really digging this grill for what it is, and it does the job. And if that's what you want, a grill that's going to do the job, that's quality, it's going to stand up to its name, this is it right here. It's going to get you some good food right here. So, as always, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. Smoke on, everyone. It's time to eat.